Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. As you can see, I am in the middle of painting. I just scraped a bloom that I didn't like. So I'm going to do a new one. I'm having a little trouble with my pillow paint today. I have Glidden Essentials that's very thin. I'm usually use Glidden Premium, so I had to adjust my paints, mix a couple of pillow paints together to try and thicken it up. So I'm going to see if this works. Works for swipes fine. Okay. Colors I am using are Van Dyke Brown and I think I'll put Golden Teal and Bahama Blue down first. And I'm going to put some Pearl White. I got some Amsterdam. I think, no, greenish blue. And then I have some Amsterdam Van Dyke Brown. Put too much. And this is TLP Mermaid. Oh, I have some silver too. You know what, I'm going to leave the silver out of this one. This is this little piggy mermaid and PBO blue green. Let's try white and black. Use my mini blower. Wow. I had a pretty good success. The only white came through was this right here. I'm okay with that. That's very cool. moving. This is good. Okay, let's blow this out. I like the addition of the greenish blue. I didn't use silver in that one, so I'll put that aside. That's really pretty right there. The blending of these colors. Oh wow. The brown and the blue, the turquoise. Oh, so awesome. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. I love these colors. Wow. My recipes for this bloom technique are in the description under the video. I have a discount code for the Sheleeart course. 15% discount. And it really helps. Okay, I'm going to let this dry and I'll show you the results at the end. End of the video. Thanks for watching. Hi everybody. Here's my dry tile. It's very pretty. I like these colors. Blue and the turquoise, a little bit of gold. No, it's Van Dyke brown, sorry. Kind of looks gold now. There you go. Thanks for watching.